Hey, I just finished recording a guide on tango rhythms for the accordion. This is one of my students, Phaser, showed me a new tango rhythm that I'd heard, but I'd never tried it. The rhythms that are in this guide are as follows. We have the traditional... We also have... And then the new one that Phaser just showed me. And obviously we can combine all three. So again, this new rhythm, bass, alternate bass, chord, alternate bass. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba. There's lots of information in the guide. It's available to Accordion Love students. Check out the link in the description. Check out the guide. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you to Phaser for showing that to me.